Hello, you join me today in an unfortunate position. You see, this is my setup right now. I used to use a pair of rubbish Logic speakers that I bought for about £15. They are not good enough. So now, with the help of Cambridge Audio A1 and a pair of Q Acoustics 1010i, I think. Basically, I've got some good speakers, a good amplifier. I want to make them work, and maybe wire in a subwoofer, which is really not a subwoofer, but it's going to work. But first, breakfast. It's been about half an hour now, and I've got tea. So I think it's best time to start cracking. We're going to start by removing all of this, chucking it out into the corridor for someone else to deal with. I think that's pretty clean now. It's time to position the speakers. So I've done some tinkering, and I need about 25 centimeters of books to make me speaker stands, which is quite a lot. So I'm going to pop it over to the charity shop and buy some books. You join me. I've got 8.7 kilos of books, a pair of thick joggers, and a nice thick carpet tile. So we're going to go assemble some speaker stands now. Time lapse number 2. Right, let's see. Okay, speaker. Or I could do a little something. But now that is at the bottom. It's probably not going anywhere. We've got the carpet tile down there. Then just book, and a speaker. So now I just need to make another one of these carpet tiles for the other side. Right, so I couldn't be bothered to cut off this much, so we're just going to use this and see how we go. I think that'll do. Give it a little wobble test. It's not going anywhere, and they're about level.
So what I'm going to do now is just cut up a bit of fabric for underneath the speakers.
That's pretty good. Let's make another one. I think these are some very good speakers, considering I only paid 40 quid for the pair. The Cambridge Audio A1 only set me back £20. I think we'll get to placing the amplifier.
We interrupt this recording for an ad hoc unboxing of the Nothing Phone 3A.
So, here we go. Now on earth does it open? Oh, open. That's nice. Okay, now what? Oh, chunky boy. Put that over there for a minute. Inside the box we get a USB-C to C cable, SIM ejector tool. Waffle! Don't need that. Cool. Right, so carpets are bad for ventilation. They're quite dusty, and the amplifier needs ventilation. So I've cut this bit of cardboard, and it's going to go underneath the amplifier, and the amplifier is going to go on the floor somewhere. After much contemplation, I think I found the only place it can go, which is there. We'll see in a couple of months when it catches fire. Hopefully not. Next up is the cabling. So I'm going to need a run from here down to the amplifier. And for that, I've got a cable. This is RCA to TS 1/4 inch. I'm going to start by plugging it in, the red into the right, white into the left. We'll put that into there. Right, I've decided going into this one here. There we go, job done.
Now I'm just going to cut up some speaker wire.
Nice and easy. And of course it won't. Why would it? There we go. A straight push way back to here.
And now I'm just going to strip some speaker wire.
I think that's good enough. And that shouldn't be going anywhere.
Now I'm just going to screw it in. And do the exact same thing for the other side.
Right, so off camera, I've done a bit of cabling. This product looks alright. Speaker connected, monitor connected, and got that for my laptop. Laptop's here. Ready? Ready? Ah, didn't work. Take two. Oh, I think it worked. Did it work? It actually worked. Incredible. Now, I need to find something to play that isn't copyrighted.
So what I'm going to do now is put the wires into this active low pass filter, which will then be connected to my makeshift subwoofer.
Well, I think that's done after many hours of work, and pain and suffering. It's finally complete. Thank you very much for sticking around, and I think I'll see you next time, whenever that's going to be. Cheers. See ya.
So, after recording that last clip, I've actually updated the setup a little bit with some makeshift sound installation. I'm also going to put some clips of music playing. We'll see if YouTube likes it.